Hey guys, it's Al here from Al and Imo Handmade, and today I'm going to show you how to make these DIY timber bookshelves. We're expecting a baby soon and made these for a nursery. However, this is a great project for any room in your house and the measurements are easy to adjust to suit any space. For this project, you'll need hardwood dowel and glue. We used some scrap blackbutt floorboards and some Vic Ash dowel. The first thing you need to do is cut your timber and dowel to the right sizes, and you can access the cut list and step-by-step instructions for this project at alandimo.com.au. Sand all of your pieces nice and smooth. I use 120 grit sandpaper here. Drill your holes to a depth around 3mm in the side pieces, which will house your dowel. Glue and nail your top and back shelf together, then nail on one end. Dry fit your dowel to check that it fits nice and snug, and if you need to make any adjustments, now is the time. Glue and nail on the other end. Sand all of your edges smooth and clean up any remaining glue. You can use a chisel once the glue is dry to get into those tricky spaces and around the dowel. That's it! We used a hard wax oil to seal our piece and it comes up silky smooth.